Hello and welcome to the Allegro X System Capture series. We will showcase how to use version control and track versions in Allegro X System Capture tool. The version control feature allows you to track every modification in the design database. If you change your mind or make any mistakes while working on a design, you can easily revert to any clean previous version of the design. To enable the version control features, ensure that the Pulse server is in the running state when you start Allegro X System Capture. To check the version details of an active design, hover the mouse pointer over the project name in the Project Explorer. The tooltip shows the version or revision number, the login of the user who made the last change, the date and time when the changes were made, and any comments. Whenever you save or commit the design, a new version is created on the version control. To view the version control, use the file, Version Control, or under the Explorer panel. Right-click and choose Version Control to see the latest version details and preview. A version number consists of a 3-digit versioning scheme. The first 2 digits indicate the major and minor versions of the design, while the last digit represents the number of times the design has been saved using the file, save command or auto-saved from enabling the Generate Auto Recovery Data option. And the navigation locator symbol icon displays the current running version of the project. To begin committing a design, please remember to note the current version, and add a new page and design connection. For instance, add a new connection in the design by copy and paste the existing connection from a schematic page. Use File, Commit, or under the Explorer panel, right-click and choose Commit to commit a new version. From there, we can choose to commit a new major or minor version and provide any necessary tags and notes. Once we've committed to a minor version, the updated version number will be displayed on the Project Explorer tooltip. You can also compare the versions with the previous or latest version. Suppose if you select Compare with Previous Commit, where no connection has been added. You can see the difference report on the screen. To preview and restore the previous version of your design, open the Version Control window. Once you're in the Version Control window, select the latest version to check if a new page and connection have been added. In case you want to restore the previous version, select the previous version where no connection was made. Click the Open Version command. This will restore the design from the previous version. You can see it on the screen. To learn more about the Allegro X System Capture tool, visit the below link to enroll free courses on Cadence Support portal. That's all the time we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.